Okay, so there's a nationwide blackout right now.
Nationwide.
We're preparing our food. We're getting 4 eggs, 40 pesos each.
Yeah, we're gonna make some fried rice.
Yeah, we are. We're gonna look for like the smoked meat right now. We're getting the garlic now. Each of them costs 10 pesos. We get 2.
Yeah. Two.
Okay, 2. Gracias.
Pescado con
Oh,
mariquita.
wow.
Manchuelo.
Manzuelo. Oh, wow.
Fish, fried,
This is good.
fried sardines. ¿En cuánto están?
120.
How is it?
Oh, good.
Very good.
Yeah. Salty, vinegary.
Oh,
That's right.
it's like sour again, like the vinegar taste. Very mushy. I don't know what's inside. Plantains, yuca. Oh, I can taste the cheese. The cheese we had in Havana, the
Yeah.
strong cheese.
Oh yeah.
Asado. Oh, yes.
Tastes like smoked ham.
It sounds good too.
Yeah, that should be good. I think that's good with that.
Unali.
Yeah, that's good, right?
1 1/4. Okay, enough?
Sí, está bien.
Look at the fishies. Look at the snails. Oh wow.
What is
The
that?
worms for food.
Oh, what the hell? Oh, that's a lot of worms.
There's ice cream everywhere. Chocolate ice cream. Chocolate ice cream. Okay, I think it's all the same. It's just chocolate.
You gotta bring your own cup.
Oh, shit. Oh, we can't eat it then, huh?
No. Gotta bring your own cup.
Alright, let's go.
Good?
Okay, we're gonna unbox Monopoly, Cuban Monopoly. It's a blackout right now, so since we have nothing to do, might as well play it, right? Oh, you have inherited 100 pesos. You need to pay 150 for the schools. You take out insurance for your life and you need to pay 100 million, I think. You need to pay medical bills, 50 million. Okay. Alright, this is the community chest cards. What else do we have? I think these are the chance cards. Pay 25 for each house, 100 for each hotel. Or you can get 150 pesos. Oh, because you went to the bank. Don't lose your fingers and pay the boss 10 times. Lo que saques. I think it's like the dice throw. Oh, you can go to go. If you go to go, you get 200. I think it's about the same, huh? Okay, these are the chance cards. I was thinking of using like real Cuban pesos to play. I didn't know it came with like money as well. Like, you think we can use real money to play? Yeah.
Of course, do we get to keep it? The winner keeps it?
Absolutely not.
That's not real enough.
Aww. We have 1 peso, it's 100, 20. Okay, and then what else do we have? Oh, okay, these are the players' pieces. Oh, the dice, they're uneven. Look at it, it has like things sticking out. Probably have to cut it. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, look at this. What is it made out of? 3. Okay, let's see. Because it's uneven. Oh, 6. Okay. I'm just gonna like remove this. It does come with instructions. Yeah. By the way, internet is very slow right now. I wanted to search about the rules for Monopoly online, but no. Because there's a blackout and they say it's only going to come back maybe tomorrow, right? But that was like a guy on the street who said tomorrow. But I haven't gone on Telegram because I don't have internet. Yeah. Maybe he'll come back tomorrow. If he does come back tomorrow, be like, how long? 1.5 days. 36 hours. I think that's the longest blackout ever. I'm not sure if they had like longer blackouts than this. Even when the lightning struck the plant, they didn't have this problem. And after Hurricane Ian. Alright, now let's take a look at the board. Okay, we've been through a little bit of Havana. We are halfway through the trip, right? Yeah. So maybe we might know some of the places on the board. I have no idea. Oh, are these places in Havana? Paseo del Prado sounds familiar. Paseo de la Castellana, Gran Via, Calle Alcalá, Puerta del Sol, Plaza de España, Calle Bailen, Avenida de las Reyes, Catolicos. Okay, turns out I don't know any of these places. Oh, but we do know Compañía de Electricidad, right? We're just laughing. Yeah. Oh, I just noticed something interesting here. Look at this. Dinero en CUB and Moneda Nacional. So this was done before they took away the CUB. I do not know which one is the normal pesos and which one is like the CUB. They all look the same to me. And they even have the special 3 peso note. So cool.
Wow.
A few of them. The gameplay is the same as normal Monopoly. Okay, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm just visiting. Okay, we are following our dice down with the help of Manuel.
Oh, there's 13%. So she cheated.
No,
she
it was a
wrote 8.
mistake.
She wrote 8 and she put me in jail. Then she put me all the way in jail. Then when it was my turn. Wow. Wow, what a cheater.
It was an accident. I thought it was blue for a while. Okay, we're gonna make fried rice, right?
Yes.
Look at this baby garlic.
They're tiny.
I've never seen such.
Try to peel one. There we go. Oh yeah.
Oh, it looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna try, okay? Oh, I saw something. No, that did not happen. Piece of meat flew. You gotta save it, right?
Yeah. Go rescue it. Yeah?
Yeah. Really good. You
Ready?
also have, yeah, pepino. On a rocking chair.
We can rock ourselves to sleep after we eat all this good food.
Oh shit, it's so hot, it's burning.